So we are very excited to be here at the India AI Impact Summit. I think this is a culmination of all the hard work that our teams have been doing over the past year, and we are here to showcase the technology that we've built to enable voice AI agents for large enterprises in India. We are here to showcase how these agents are very natural, very lifelike in terms of low latency conversations across Indian languages. And we have a booth here, and we are here for the next 5 days to showcase the technology from India for the world. Yeah. No, I think that debate was genuinely a moment of pride for all of us at Blue Machines. I think a lot of kudos to the Republic team as well for being good sports and Arnab for offering us this opportunity. I think what it really represented as a milestone for us was that in enterprise deployments, right, you need to make sure that when conversations are being held over long periods of time, the technology performs in the manner that is expected, right? A lot of times closed room demos work, but for us, it marked a moment where the entire country saw it on national television and saw that AI agents in voice can really work. It held on to guardrails. It paused when it was interrupted. And so for us, the idea was that if the AI could hold a 60-minute debate with the likes of Arnab Goswami, it can hold a lot of sales and support conversations for large enterprises in the country.
Right, that brings me to the next question on the fears of job losses. One for the media industry from where I belong. Where do you see the media industry? Would these kind of voice AIs, disrupt the job market, be it media or otherwise? Should we be worried about our jobs?
No, I think we fundamentally believe that with any technological innovation, there is a shift in the order in terms of trying to understand how to utilize that technology as a tool, as a force for good. And I believe that AI will also be such a force for good in terms of augmenting the capability of all of us as humans, like in our workforce, whether it's in the media industry, in any other industry. The idea is how do we utilize these AI models, these AI tools to do our job better, improve productivity, and deliver good outcomes.
Kshitij, how do you see India's progress on artificial intelligence? We are attempting to stake a claim, in leadership. We do not want to miss the bus so far as AI is concerned, looking at the kind of implications it would have across sectors. As someone who sees this sector and space very closely, how do you measure India's progress?
No, I think India has grown leaps and bounds in terms of adopting AI, but also building in AI. And I think this summit is actually a great example of all the large companies in the world are coming here and congregating here to see what India has done in AI. We are huge believers in the India story, like building from India for the world. We are building cutting-edge technology in deploying voice agents across enterprises. Some of the largest enterprises in India are using us, but also we are getting a lot of interest from the US, Australia, and a lot of other international markets. So we strongly believe that India is already at the forefront and will continue to grow leaps and bounds.